Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a steady base. Sit upright, relax shoulders, and remove corrective lenses only if it feels safe. Begin with palming for 1 to 2 minutes to calm the visual system. This reduces glare and refocuses neural fatigue. Once done, move into slow eye rotations, 10 clockwise, then 10 counterclockwise, because mobilizing the ocular muscles improves circulation and coordination. Make sure to breathe evenly. These early steps prime both your eyes and brain to accept more targeted exercises. You now move into dynamic focus training to strengthen accommodation. Start near-far shifts. Hold a finger 10-15 cm away, then focus on an object 3-4 meters distant for 5 to 10 seconds. Repeat 10 times, 3 sets, because this retrains lens and neural control. Once comfortable, do Trataka, steady gaze at a small point for 30 to 60 seconds to build sustained attention. Then add saccades. Quick left-right eye jumps for 20 to 30 seconds. These layered steps progressively rebuild control and endurance. You finish by weaving practices into your daily life. Aim for 15 to 30 minutes total split between morning and evening because consistency drives adaptation. Support the work with hydration, proper lighting, and the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look 20 feet away for 20 seconds to prevent strain. Make sure to track progress and gradually increase challenge. If you experience persistent pain, worsening blur, or double vision, stop the exercises, rest both eyes, reduce screen exposure immediately, and consult an eye specialist for tailored.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.